Hi, my name is Ronald Raj, son of Robert. My metric number is B220101139.
Salam sejahtera to our lecturer, Dr. Azahari and Dr. Yihua. My name is Rachelin Jahirin with matrix number B0220101149 from group 15.
We have three objectives for our mini project. First foremost, to apply circuit schematic design and circuit simulation using Proteus software. Secondly, to design PCB circuit using Proteus, which is called the array components. Then, automatic street power saving system with LDR is to save the power automatically instead of doing manual. So it's easy to make cost effectiveness.
I will present the components and software that we use in our mini project. The components are Arduino Uno with USB cable, breadboard, jumper wires, LCD1602 resistor, LDR or light dependent resistor, and the last one is LED. And for the software that we use are Arduino Uno for programming and Proteus 8.7. There are two main components that we use in our mini project. The first one is Arduino Uno. The Arduino Uno is a largely and most widely used microcontroller which was developed by Arduino CC. The board has both the sets of digital and analog input-output pins. The board contains of 14 digital and 6 analog pins. It is programmable with Arduino integrated development environment with a USB cable. Second component is LDR. LDR or light dependent resistors are very useful especially in light or dark sensor circuits. Normally, the resistance of LDR is very high, sometimes as high as 1 million ohms, but when they are illuminated with light, resistance drop dramatically. When the light level is low, the resistance of the LDR is high. This prevents current from flowing to the base of the transistors. Consequently, the LED does not light.
Based on the Arduino IED software, we have been created programming codes for Arduino Uno. These are the codes. In these codes contain the codes for LCD, LED and LDR. The words of street light displayed in first row and the words of project display in second row. The pin of A0 connected between LDR and resistor. We have also programmed for low light to light up the LED, while programmed for normal light to shut down the LED. So these are for programming code. Okay, and then we have to click verify option to compiling sketch. Okay, after done the compiling process, we need to upload to the Arduino Uno. Okay, these are the process to upload the codes to the Arduino Uno. In the software of the Proteus, we click Arduino Uno in circuit to stimulate. So we add the X file from the Arduino IED software. Then we click play button to stimulate whether the circuit is in incomplete or error. We have found no error. When the light near to the LDR it show in normal light state, while the LED is light off. When the light far from LDR, it show the low light in LCD, while the LED light up. So these are the PCB layout. We just click all of the electronic component. By the process of packaging tool, we add the packaging tool for the PCB layout process. So these are our PCB layout. Now we are in 3D visualizer that to show our PCB layout in 3D form. So these are the front view and these are the back view. In conclusion, the prototype of on-off automatic street light is efficiently designed with stimulation and practically on this mini project. Circuit schematic design and circuit stimulation using Proteus software has been learned. PCB circuit design using Proteus also had been learned during designing the PCB layout for this mini project. At the end of the completion of this mini project, we designed the circuit to control the street lights, which is a turn on and off based on the light, to reduce manpower with the help of intelligent systems, and to help people who suffer with phobia of darkness. That's all for this video. Thank you.